Okay, we're at Topanga. I got Ascended Heroes 3 packs, and I'm gonna rip them in public because I feel like it might give me more luck.
Mm-hmm.
But I can't see what's going on, so I will just have to trust you.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just take like a little sick ass picture like this and that's
Voltorb. Oh, pack number 2. Wish me luck. We got Voltorb the first time. We got Voltorb and I didn't like it. Okay.
Ooh, ooh.
Ooh. I can't see. Pack number 3. Last pack magic. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Arceus, if you're listening, I think I... Oh, Numel
I like
art
that.
rare. Okay.
It's cute. Bruh.
And Staraptor. Okay, Numel.